Today I'm in Lexington at Dave's Deli. Let's go. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
What can we get for you?
Can I get the Reuben? Yeah, I'll do Grippos. Yeah. Out here at Dave's Deli. So we about to see what it's talking about. What up, though? Today I'm out at Dave's Deli for the first time. So we about to see what it's hitting for. I got my favorite sandwich, a Reuben. And you know I got the Grippos. I love Reubens because I love that sauerkraut and Thousand Island. So let's get into it. All right. That's amazing. First off, that corned beef is quality. Then that sauerkraut is just how I like it. Kentucky boy, know about them Grippos. I like that the bread is grilled and it's not all soggy. Dave's Deli on Georgetown Road, Lexington, Kentucky. Dave's Deli, that was amazing. I'm gonna give y'all a 9.5.